Hi, I'm Ken from Shiitake. Thank you for watching the video explaining the log-grown shiitake mushrooms cultivation up to the last time. We hope we explained enough for you. And look at this! Some cute babies coming out! Yes! Very good. Alright, anyway, we would like to explain a little more at the end. It is points for second or later flashes. You don't want to lose from the second or later flashes, do you? We think what we are going to explain will help you even more. As usual, we will explain with multiple videos, and at the end we will upload the Omniverse, so it is okay to see only that. For those who think, what are you talking about? There is a past videos in the description that appears when you press the title, so please take a look at them first. Also, since we are using our own cultivation method as an example, I think that it may be difficult for me. But we will be happy if you could incorporate it as a new value. We'll explain on the assumption that your mushroom cultivation history is within a few years or about to begin. As we say every time, it is our personal opinion, not a general theory, and not perfect English, so please make your own judgment. Let's go! The biggest difference between the first and second flash is that a number of shiitake mushrooms come out. We hear you say, I already know that! But let me explain as a confirmation. Basically, once shiitake mushrooms come out, the holes are not going to fruit shiitake again. We mean as many shiitake mushrooms come out, the packed holes decrease, right? If 50% of all holes fruit shiitake mushrooms at the first soak, basically only the rest of the holes will come out after the second soak. And the second time, shiitake don't even come out from all the holes, so only about a quarter of all holes fruit shiitake mushrooms. The third time is about the same or even less. You think, then shiitake won't come out at all from the fifth time? Don't worry, that's not going to happen. We'll explain why in the next section. It's pretty dark, like tiramisu. It really looks like tiramisu, so I call it tiramisu from now. It takes several weeks to become tiramisu. Once the whole become tiramisu, shiitake mushrooms will come out from them again.